I'm going right in with Mia Secret Clear and Liquid Monomer and using iGel Beauty Acrylic Powder Insta Glam with the CAD's size 12 brush that was sent by a nail sister when she saw my brush was going bad. Thank you so much. Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? How is everyone doing? Hello if you're new to my channel, and I'm so happy that you're here. My name is Tommy and I'm a licensed nail tech, and this acrylic nail design today is very popular. I've done one before and have been wanting to do it again, this time just in a different color. You might also be interested in my Bougie Nails on a Budget series where I do DIY press-on nail designs. I upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays and offer even more content on other random days, so I really hope you enjoy this and consider subscribing. So this is sped up as you can see, and other portions are edited. You'll be able to tell that this freehand design took some time, and I wouldn't have you sit through all of it. I was considering doing this in orange, then I thought about pink, then I thought to ombre the two. I kept going back and forth, so undecided. Well, I can always do it again in orange, but I'm glad I chose pink because pink is always cute, right? Through this set, I had to get accustomed to the brush. It's a very nice brush for anyone who might be considering a CAD's acrylic brush. They're available on Amazon. But this one is on me. I had been working with a larger brush, a size 14, and it was crimped, where this one isn't crimped. And on a side note, you can always crimp it. Usually when I go up to the nail supply shop in Chicago, there's a guy who crimps the brushes just right. These differences matter when it comes to bead pickup. I can also tell the hairs feel different too, but overall, I do think it worked very well and I'm grateful to receive it, and I like it. I'm just pointing things out to you so you'll know what to expect when transitioning through brushes. So I'm kind of breezing through placing the color too. I wanted you to see an equal amount of each thing that I did, but I don't think I included filing with this one. As always, this was pre-recorded. I think this was about a week ago or so, because you know I'll be trying to remember what I did. If you happen to, okay, I'm recording. If you happen to notice some clouding or hazing in the acrylic, I'm recording. Like she understands. If you happen to notice some clouding or hazing in the acrylic, I did stir it vigorously before I started because I hadn't used these powders and they've been sitting and settling for a long time. This was something I mentioned in one of my first few videos when I started my channel and thought it'd be a good reminder. Your powders settle and separate. The clear layer is done especially to build strength to the length of these nails. Right, and this is after shaping and filing. I love them so much already. I had to do this little finger dance. A layer of Notpolish matte top coat. Matte is good for doing freehand drawn nail art by using pencil over the mat to do outlines, but I didn't do it here because all I needed was straight line borders. In fact, I've done portrait nails in tribute of Kobe Bryant, his daughter, and her friends, and another video in honor of Black Panther. Consider checking them out too. So there's a quick story for the reveal of these nails. I knew I had in mind to do some small rhinestones, right? But also, I didn't want bandana on all the nails. Yet, I still hadn't thought of what to do. Then I decided on this symbol because it's bad AF. It has a specific meaning to me. For me, it goes with the idea of the bandana. But then after I did it, I felt it looked too glaring against the soft pink, so I left it in for you to see it. Then I wondered, if I chrome it, maybe it'll soften the look. but nah. So I used the E-file and gently filed it away and put a new layer of matte. Ultimately, I decided to keep it simple and finished the set with the dainty little stones and left the one nail solid, and I think it ended up perfect with just the right look. If you like how they turned out, give this a thumbs up. And as always, I really appreciate you and I'm very thankful for your support. If you're new, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the nailification bell, and I'll be looking for you next time. Much love.